welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face. First, go ahead and click that like button for me, and I'm going to show you guys how I clear up all these acnes on my face and how I'm keeping it up. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is wash our face. Use a good cleanser, and you're going to need a face razor and oil. This is just avocado oil in a bottle, guys. Use whatever oil works for your face, and you're going to make sure you put a good little bit amount. You don't need too much, but definitely enough to give you plenty of slip and cover all the areas that you're going to shave, and just lightly massage this into your face and neck area and start with shaving. All I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and shave my face. I shave my face upward. You can shave it down or any other direction if that works best for you. This is just the best way for me to get the best shave out of my face and avoid a lot of cuts. And we're going to be very careful shaving around your mouth area, your nose, around your eyes. Just very lightly do this. I always say this because I speed this video up. I don't want you guys to think I'm just rushing and shaving my face. Do take your time to do this. And I wanted to show you guys just a quick little look of the hair that are actually on my face, even though it looks like there's nothing on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and shave every area on my face, taking my time to make sure I get all the corners, all the areas. So the last area I usually do is around my eyebrows. And guys, if you notice, I have one little acne. Be careful not to cut that. I'm gonna go ahead with my tweezer. I don't always do this when I shave my face. Make sure you have a good brush, because the one I got actually broke out the package, and I got this one from Elf. Pretty cheap. I think I paid $1 or $2 for it. Combing through and brushing my eyebrows so I can make sure that I actually tweeze the areas I want to. I just pretty much go and clean up around my eyebrows. I don't always do this, and I don't do it too thin. I just take out a little bit and get this to a little shape that I'm happy with. I don't do this every time I shave my face. So the next thing I went and did is I actually just rinsed my face, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and use this LED mask. I haven't shown you guys this before. This is something new I'm doing, and I'm gonna leave this in for 15 minutes after with the red light, and then I'm done. The next step is to actually put on a sheet mask and to massage it with my face massager. And I'm using a collagen sheet mask. Before I put this on, I actually spray my face lightly with my facial toner. This is a rose toner. Love this to just balance out my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little vitamin C serum on my face after I do this. You can use whatever moisturizer you typically would use, but I like to add vitamin C on my face, especially after I've used a razor on it. And I'm gonna add this sheet mask on. I love these sheet masks. I started using them. I love buying them, especially at Burlington. They have them for such cheap prices, guys, so I love getting them. Just put it on your face as you normally would, but instead of me just leaving it on for that 15 minutes, I like to go ahead and use my little face massager to help the moisture soak in even even more. I realize I get a lot better result when I do this with the massager. The sheet masks work a lot better. My skin feel a lot more moisturized, and I just love how it looks at the end of it. So just take your time in that little 15 minutes, sit somewhere, just massage all the areas. There's no fancy way of doing this, guys. Just go ahead, make sure you're getting all your face massaged. It gives you some good blood circulation on your face as well to help with bloating, detox, just all the works while you're moisturizing your face. So I think this is a great little thing to do just to help you relax as well. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on Instagram so you can see when I buy new tools or new product, definitely to help. I'm working at getting a lot better at this skincare routine, so definitely follow me there for any tips or products that I post on there. Now, I wanted you guys to see the result. I love how this is turning out, what it's doing for my skin. Definitely is a learning process, so I'm working on getting my skin to be completely cleared up, but it is a drastic change from how my skin used to be compared to how it looks now. So I'm very happy with how it's turning out. If you haven't already, guys, of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. And of course, guys, go over and watch my last video.